Well, I am back from the Fanimation group trip. So the first fan up you see here today is a Gulf Coast Riviera in the uncommon super brass. You heard that right. Super brass finish. It's a 3-speed electrically reversible fan, and it uses a 188 by 20 millimeter spinner motor. So this thing is pretty powerful. I have this paired with a set of high gloss black and high gloss rosewood blades, and this fan dates to 1991. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the fan. Obviously, this fan right here has got a beautiful, beautiful set of high gloss black blades showing. And then it's got the pretzel style arms, as well as the Gulf Coast fans pull fob. And then I kind of will show you a little bit of the top. Here's the rosewood blades as well, which are very gorgeous, by the way. And we're gonna go ahead and get this fan started on its low speed. So this fan right here, I got from fellow collector Cris Held. I actually got this as well as a super brass Dixie Bell. And I am pretty happy that I got this. This fan is absolutely gorgeous. And this is also the first Riviera I have in my collection. Others I have tested have been the ones in the store at Dan's Fan City. But this one did not disappoint by any means whatsoever. This fan, I believe, is more powerful than the Dixie Bells I currently have in my collection. And Chris, if you are seeing this video, man, I really appreciate this fan. Like, you have no idea. This fan is awesome. And anything in the Gulf Coast brand, for those who do like Gulf Coast, these things do not disappoint whatsoever at all. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and crank this fan to medium and see what she does. And this right here is just a medium speed. I have some fans that actually blow like this on high. So bearings are good in this fan and everything else. Now let's go ahead and crank this sucker to high and see what she really does. Now this thing hauls ass on high. Pretty much rivals any kind of K55 fan. As well, it's just as powerful as a Hunter original. I may get some shit for that, but this thing flies. And there's no wobble whatsoever on this fan either. And I really love the look of the Riviera. We'll kind of just get a close-up view on how fast this thing really is performing. Like, it is insane on how much airflow is coming out of this. And we'll just do another side profile of the fan while it's on high. But yeah, this thing is really awesome. I'm glad I got this one. I knew out of the 14 fans that I got from Fanimation that one of these needed to be up as soon as possible. So I chose this one. And honestly, if I had a longer down rod, this would be a permanent install in my living room. I would take the actual 52-inch Dixie Bell as you see over here. I would actually take this down to put that super brass Riviera up in its spot. But yeah. And this thing's got a pretty decent spin down time too. It's actually kind of long. So, but like I said, I'm glad I picked this up. And wait until you see the super brass Dixie Bell I got as well. That is actually pretty cool, and you'll love the combo set that I decided to pair with that fan. But that will be for a future video. So I got a lot of fans to test in the next couple months from this trip. So, and thanks again, everybody that I've got fans from. It was great seeing everybody at Fanimation, and I can't wait to see you guys again next year. And stay tuned for some more content in the upcoming weeks and everything else from here. This is Ginger Fan Studios here. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to the channel. Y'all have a great day and take care.